Destiny's Child. Hey y'all, and welcome back to day 4. Baby girl is asleep right now, so that's why I'm kind of trying to whisper. But I realized, yes, Vlogmas is a series of vlogging every day, the whole 25 days of Christmas. But I have not done any Christmas shit with y'all yet, so we're gonna start that. I pretty much already started setting up some decorations, so I'm gonna show you guys. But also, my angel finally came in. I got it off Etsy, and I also got my baby girl's first 2 ornaments on Amazon. I just need to print out the pictures to put in there. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm watching vlogs as I'm making a vlog, but baby girl's waking up. I just want to show y'all my angel. Look how pretty she is. OMG. Like, look at the detail. Oh, the pink, the gold. She was worth it. Worth every penny. Put up the angel with me. And these are the 2 ornaments. Say hi, mama. The 2 ornaments that I got for her is this one, baby's first Christmas, and her first name at the top, and then the 2024 with her name at the top, baby's first Christmas. I couldn't decide, so I got both. I will let you play with it, but those are very delicate, mama. How you feeling? I think you're still sleepy. You just nosy. She tired of y'all. So. Oh, it's because my weave in your nose. On with the tour. Get it stinker, oh get it stinker. Gotta send in friends and da 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 na 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 na. Jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Jingle your feet. That's the jingle bell. Jingle bell. Sing it, baby. That's the jingle bell rock.
Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in a 1-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell ride.
Since this little one will not go to sleep, well, let me backtrack. So that's the Christmas decor that I currently have. Yes, that's the Christmas decor that we currently have. I'm going to probably go shopping in my next vlog. This one will not fall asleep, so we're gonna stay up and make Christmas cookies. girl, let me grease the pan. So normally I would do like some oil and just spray the pan, but these Christmas cookies, so we ain't gonna cut no corners. We're just gonna use some regular butter. Grease this pan. And it's only me and her eating them, and she only gonna have like 2-3 bites of a cookie. So I'll probably just I'll be skinny, I'll make 3. And these are the cookies we're making. I know other vloggers make them from scratch. And in real life, one day I will do that. Probably closer to Christmas. But right now, we are going to do the Pillsbury Boys. Yeah. Okay, wait, that's on. Okay. I'm glad it's not hot yet. Hold the fuck up. Wait. Alexa, stop.